Hello दोस्तों की हाल चाल OnePlus Nord 5 users we have another Oxygen OS update and this one actually brings some useful changes. The Nord 5 has now received 16.0.512.ex01B110P02. But before we talk about the new features, there's something important I want to mention. Over the past few days, some Nord 5 users have reported battery drain and gaming related issues after the previous update. I personally have not noticed these problems on my unit, but several users have shared their experience with me. And there's another interesting complaint. Some subscribers told me that YouTube was becoming buggy with instances where the screen went black or video simply did not play. So has this update fixed anything and what exactly has changed? Let's go through everything. First, we have 4 changes in Photos application. The first one is actually quite useful. You can now change the capture time of a photo directly from the Photos detail page. Just open a photo, go to details, tap adjust and you can change the capture time. This can be useful if the date or time of an old photo is incorrect. The second change is for people who have a lot of photos. You can now favorite or unfavorite multiple photos at once. Simply select multiple photos, tap favorite and you are done. No need to open every photo individually. The third improvement is related to text recognition. When you open a photo containing text, you can now use scan document feature to extract the text with just one tap. So if you have a document, notes or some important text inside an image, this makes getting that information much easier. And finally, OnePlus has improved the photos filter feature. You can now hide photos and videos that have already been added to custom album. Go to Photos tab, tap the filter button in the bottom right corner and you will find the option to hide custom album. So 4 changes, and honestly these are small additions but they make the Photos application more convenient. Next up is Private Safe. OnePlus has improved the process of adding files to Private Safe. Earlier, managing multiple files could feel a little inconvenient. Now you can select multiple files in different formats directly from the home page and the files will automatically be arranged according to their file type. To access this, go to Settings, Security and Privacy, Private Safe and tap the Add icon. If you generally move photos, videos, document or other files into Private Safe, this should make the process much easier. And finally, we have the most basic but probably the most important change. OnePlus says the update improves system stability. Now there is not a huge feature here that I can show you on screen, but considering some users have been reporting battery, gaming and app related issues, improved stability is definitely something we want to see. I'll also be testing the phone after this update to see whether those reported problems, especially battery drain, gaming performance and YouTube bugs actually improved. So overall, this update is not a massive feature packed update, but there are some genuinely useful improvement, especially in Photos and Private Safe. Now I want to know from you, have you received this update on your OnePlus Nord 5? And more importantly, are you facing battery drain, gaming issue or YouTube bugs? Let me know in the comments because your feedback can help other Nord 5 users as well. And if you want a full battery and gaming test after this update, make sure you subscribe and comment down below. I'll see you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.